Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Mallory Jane Creates. I am Mallory, and as always, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the little bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And today, I'm going to be turning my generic makeup brush holders, because they're actually from the dollar store, and they're these clear vases, but they work perfectly, you know, so whatever. Anyways, that's what we're going to be doing today. So you're going to need a clear vase from the dollar store, some painter's tape, and some spray paint, whatever color you want, and a clear sealer. Hey guys, as you can see, these are not real makeup brush holders. These are definitely just clear vases from the dollar store. This one was actually from bath salts, and it worked perfectly. So yeah, anyways, you can see I just took the painter's tape and I taped up on the inside because I don't want the spray paint to going on the inside, and then I taped the outside where I want the spray paint not to be, basically. And then I put the paper towels inside. You can use whatever you want just so it doesn't get on the inside. And now I'm just taking my copper spray paint and shaking it up really well. I'm going to be holding this about 8 to 10 inches away from the vase that I'm spraying. And I didn't end up recording like every single time that I sprayed them, just because I thought that would be rather boring. But I just wanted to let you know that I did do this 3 times. Allowed them to dry anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes in between each time. And then I did the exact same thing with the sealer, except for the sealer, I only sprayed that 2 times. Now, some things you're going to need for the next step is some popsicle sticks from the dollar store, a pair of scissors, of course, a small paintbrush, and then you're going to need some paint. Any type you want to use will work. I don't think it really matters, and whatever color you want. And then also you're going to need some super glue and a glue gun, or just a glue gun will work. You're also going to need something, whatever you want to use to decorate with. And here, guys, I'm just showing you I'm cutting one of the popsicle sticks in half, and then I'm going to take one of the halves and measure it just so every single one will be the exact same height. And then I'm going to put the other ones off to the side and use that for the other bottle. And here I'm just showing you that I'm figuring out how many I'm actually going to need by putting them around the edge. I did end up doing a couple more than what I needed just in case. And now here I'm just showing you that I'm taking some of that paint, and as you can see on the other pieces, I didn't cover the whole thing. I wanted some of the wood to be showing on certain pieces, but not the exact same on all, just so there wasn't an exact pattern in there. And yeah, that's pretty much all I did. And then I let it dry for about 10 minutes, I think it was, and went on to the white and did the exact same thing. And here, guys, I'm just showing you that I'm taking the white ribbon and I'm gluing it the whole way around the edge, as you can see there. And then I'm just going to lay the ribbon right down on top of it, and then it just sticks perfectly. And now that I got the ribbon done, it's the whole way around the vase. Now I'm taking some super glue on one side of those popsicle sticks, and then I'm going to take the glue gun and do that on the other side. I'm using the super glue just to make sure that it stays there pretty much forever. I just feel like it's a lot more secure, because I know sometimes when you use a glue gun, I don't know, I feel like it's not as secure, so I wanted to use. And then here, I'm just showing you that I'm taking the pearls, and I'm going to do the same thing just like I did with the ribbon, except for I'm going to put the pearls right above on the very top, and I'm only going to put little dots, as you can see right here. I'm going to put a dot there, and then I'm going to keep going around and only doing it on the places where I feel it needs to be. I'm not going to put the glue the whole way around the top, if that makes sense. It ended up holding up really well doing it that way instead of putting it all over. And then next, I'm showing you the seashell. I'm going to do like I did on the last project. I'm going to put the glue right at the top, and then I'm going to stick it at the bottom, and then we're just going to stick it right onto the vase, and then it just sticks perfectly there, and it ended up being so cute. I'm so glad that I added the seashell, because I wasn't planning on it in the first place. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with them, but anyways, this is what I ended up doing, and it turned out really, really cute, and I love it. And in this clip, guys, I'm just showing you that I took the exact same steps, the exact same steps, and I put the burlap on, and then I ended up putting the popsicle sticks, and then the pearls I put at the top, and then I put the little seashell on, and I did the same thing with this. I took 2 things of string, put it around the very top, glued that to the back, not the whole way around, and then I did the same with the 3 on the bottom, wrapped it around 3 times, glued it on the back, and then put the pearls on and the seashell. And yeah, it turned out really well. I just didn't think you guys wanted me to watch me do like every single one. So yeah, I thought this was easier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love how they turned out. If you did enjoy the video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, guys. And I would really appreciate it too if you could comment and let me know what you think, or let me know if there's anything you want me to do that I haven't yet. I love you guys, and until next time. If you guys end up doing this, please send me some pictures. I would love to see them.